She's just been rebuilt. The old starter.
Oh yeah.
Come on now. Like a champ.
Just building up the fuel pressure.
Wow. That thing runs clean. No.
Seller's remorse?
Hey, good to see
Always.
you, Matt. Alright, you got anything else for the truck? Battery.
Can I get a shot of the interior?
Absolutely. That's clean as a shit.
£40 of oil pressure.
Dude, it gets driving, it'll build up to 80.
Oh yeah.
Cold. These things have stupid.
What do you run in it?
Dang it, it's the Lucas brand. I think it's 1520, 1530, but it's high zinc.
Yeah, well you have to have it. It's flat tappet. Old Model A Roadster. Right on top here you got your distributor.
Oh yeah.
Updraft carburetor. Look at the details on how they built the cars back then. Rumble seat, you got your steps to get in the rumble seat. Old Ford truck right here. Like it. That piece of garbage. 1955 Chevrolet, I believe it's a Bel Air. It's got a new motor. Hood doesn't open too far. 1955. That's sweet. Aluminum rad, aluminum condenser. Headers. Quadra junk. AC's been deleted on. Got power brakes though. For a custom deluxe, that's rare.
Oh geez, they modernized this.
Chevrolet C10, I don't approve of that at all.
No, we're just no.
But it's pretty solid. I'm digging the patina.
Yeah.
I wouldn't paint it. Shelby Mustang, this thing's nice.
That's exactly right, Doc.
She's still hot. Hey, what is this, a 5.2?
What's it, the Shelby 5.2? Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
442, Oldsmobile.
Hey, look, double content, 2836.
Go subscribe, Built Tough 1776. I got my sweet tea like a true country boy.
That definitely is.
That
That's all original.
is nice.
Yeah.
She's just been
I think
rebuilt.
that's a little nicer than Craigslist rebuilt.
Just a little bit. 442 Olds.
Oh yeah.
And let me tell you something. You get on the throttle in this thing, you're just laying wheel all the way down the track.
And doing donut.
That will spin and spin.
Yeah.
Camino SS. Is it a truck? Is it a car? Is it a thing? What is it? What is it? 5 liter? 305.
It said 350 on it, bud.
Unless it's been swapped, that says
350 on
305.
the valve cover. That
Yeah,
looks
but
like a
valve covers are
Oh.
valve covers are interchangeable.
Definitely. So,
So-
we got 350 valve covers with.
350 or unless it's been swapped.
Yeah.
El Camino SS.
Oh yeah.
That stands for sloppy steering, pretty much.
Z28 Camaro.
Z28 427. Yeah, baby. Okay, I've been eyeing this one since we got here.
Yeah.
Camaro SS 350.
Yes, I love the sticker. Keep your
300
GM car.
horsepower.
Hey, keep your GM car all GM. I love that.
None of those O'Reilly parts. I love that they used to do the horsepower rating Turbo Fire. With a name like Turbo Fire, you're just going places. Chevrolet. What is this, a 64? It's got to be close. Sniper EFI.
Yep, that's
We all have our opinions on that.
Yep.
C10. This thing's clean, man. UT orange. Insert eyes of
The
Texas.
eyes of Texas are upon you.
Okay, what is this? An old, it's an old Pontiac? Chevrolet
Oh yeah.
with LEDs. Those are
Randy-
the eBay specials.
Rain cores, thank you.
This looks like an LT1.
Ooh.
I think it's an well, no, it can't because it's carbureted. Unless
Yeah.
it's been swapped on. I like it.
Old SS Chevy.
We're not even talking about
Nope.
that. Old Nomad.
I'm fine with that.
Pontiac. Well, that's a big old 8.
Wow. She's a big gal.
She's got the get out of my way horns.
Look the plate on the front. That's sweet.
55.
Oh yeah.
Look at this hood ornament. This is when they paid attention to detail.
No, definitely not.
All right, keep moving.
Yeah.
Old Impala. 62.
Yep.
1962. This rad's a little leaky, so that's good. Flathead 8.
That's what we want.
Look at that battery. Flathead 8.
Oh, hey. Hey, the old Mustang with the 4.6.
Oh yeah, this is definitely a 4.6 Triton.
Definitely.
It's got a body kit.
Maybe a little bit. Oh, look at the stand stop.
I know. We're making our way. This is one roll here.
Yep.
It's
Okay,
got a 5-speed.
the paint and the carbon fiber.
I see Chevy pickups. We'll give you a second.
Yep. It's a nice Chevy pickup.
This is a
Got the
Ford
chrome.
F-350 diesel.
Edelbrock.
Chevrolet Silverado. 184366572.
Hey, did you know you're not supposed to touch?
Do not touch. Oh, like that would hurt the paint.
Yep.
Mine, I guess the old motto was see the USA in your Chevrolet, and I say if I get out of Vacca County, I'll not be.
Look at them wheels and the tires.
Do not touch. Well, okay. Might hurt the patina and the rust hole. Those are just speed holes.
Exactly. Oh, here's what we want. Sport LX3s.
Yeah, you can look at that one. I really don't care. I see a Mustang here.
Got the slingshot. Yep.
302 Mustang.
This is what we want. It's got the lift.
Well, hey, chrome will get you home, so everything has to be chromed.
302, baby. Oh,
This
yeah.
is nice.
Hey, Don.
The thing I don't like about changing
Look
the
at that
master
oil
cylinder on
filter.
these.
Look at that oil filter. Holy.
Oh yeah. The thing about changing the oil filter on these things is it hits the shock tower pretty much. So you got to do some magic.
Yep.
Just hope your your master cylinder never goes out. Old GTO 67. Okay, this one I agree with not touching.
Yep.
Boy, that's a big engine.
400 cubic inch, fully built, 4-barrel,
What is it?
400
400 cubic inch?
fully built, TH1 transmission.
She would fly.
Oh yeah, she moves.
Oh man. LS. 5.3? 6.2? 6.0?
That's bigger than a 5.3.
6.0 we'll call it.
They got the super clean engine bay, Willwood brakes.
Oh yeah, that thing is clean.
Here we go. Yep.
See, this engine is factory equipped with Autolite spark plugs engineered and manufactured by Ford Motor Company for maximum engine performance and economy. You're
got
not
the AC.
getting economy on a
No,
Ford Mustang,
no,
but I
no.
like it. This is
Oh yeah, get your picture. Go ahead.
this is good. 289 Mustang,
Wow.
318.
18. Changing the drums. Yep.
I hate drum brakes.
Wow.
First gen Charger.
That's
218.
what it is.
727 Torque Flight. The Torque Flight is a good transmission back when Chrysler used to make good transmissions.
2001 Viper Green. Oh yeah. I can dig this.
I would drive that. And you
That's-
know I'm a Ford guy.
Okay, they got the Hellcat.
Yeah, no, we're working our way. We got to do one car at a time.
Yeah.
Camaro. I think that's a 427. Looks kind of. That looks 327.
27, yes, sir.
Yeah, but this looks like a 327. That's not a 427. Okay, it's a Jimmy GMC.
Okay,
What is the? You're the GM guy. What is the Jimmy? What does that mean?
The Jimmy was the fancy Blazer.
Okay.
Yep. Exactly.
Well, you can tell. That's nice. Loaded out. Says 305. That's definitely a 350.
Look at that. No way. Not a single crack on the dash.
And it's got air conditioning. This thing was loaded out.
Jesus.
Look at this. Get a picture of the badge.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Sierra Classic. I love the paint, the two-tone.
Oh, and he put the duals on.
Duals.
Yeah.
You know, I don't care who you are so far as Ford, Chevy, Chrysler guy. If you can't appreciate the old stuff like this, and then here's this one. This is actually your neighbor's car.
Yep.
I love how it's original, restored condition, or original.
Owned it since 75.
Yeah. So he used to take rides in the back of this thing. Here's your trunk.
This is the first stick shift I got to drive.
Hey, almost slipped.
And basically Grandpa's lap.
1931.
1931.
Firestone.
He needs to pop the hood because about 3 years ago the engine got completely redone.
Well, hang on. I'm going to pause this and we'll go ask him if he will. Z28 third gen. Convertible. That's, I think, a 72 Rolls. This old this Rolls, hand built. Ah, that's got a 6.75 liter V8. Or 6.3, yeah, I think 375. I don't know.
Yeah, just
4-cylinder.
Carburetor and everything put on it.
Carol, look at this motor.
Pretty simple.
All cast iron.
When the world changed, they should have kept everything simple.
Made it out of cast
In
iron.
31, that was
Yeah,
insane technology.
but it worked.
Come and take it. Blue Lives Matter. SRT Hellcat.
Okay, he's got
It's
the
got
Hellcat.
it's got a 3.8 liter V2,
Yeah.
900 horsepower. Okay, I'll take your word for it.
Yep.
It's got a blower,
That's fine.
supercharged. 5.7. This is the LT.
That 570. What is that? LT1, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's the LT1. That's the redesigned one that
That's-
doesn't have
that's
the
an early
valve train
vehicle.
issues.
Definitely. Yep.
6-speed. No. Yeah, 6-speed.
Oh, so she cruises down the highway.
Another third gen. I like the lights on a third gen, on the
yeah,
rear
that's-
lights. I think they look pretty
Screams
snazzy.
80s.
Oh, excuse me. There's a 58,
Yep.
maybe 59 Chevrolet Apache. 5.3, baby.
Best powertrain right here. This is outlasting all the other powertrains.
Oh, absolutely. This is 59.
Probably already has over 200K at least.
Oh yeah. So the 3200. This is the 1-ton truck.
She's a looker.
She goes up to 120.
And a 6-speed. Okay. Yep. She's
Sport Deluxe. Chevrolet. Chevy got the design right on that front end.
yep. That is some aerodynamic. You know, hey,
There's a mean green wannabe.
I like the wheels and tires.
I don't like the stance at all.
Okay, so
He's got the Walmart battery.
350. Yeah. Holly. It's probably just put the valve covers on. It's probably all stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, that's pretty much all the cars. Well, let's walk over and see Mean Green, see what we did. But actually checking out Mean Green, put the flags on it this morning. And this one has the 5.7 liter TBI V8 350. It's racking almost 340,000 miles.
Still shines up pretty nice.
Eagle rock.
Go ahead and start it up.
Okay.
Here's the keys.
Hold my phone.
I will hold it for you.
Seeing in, basically, if you film two phones at once, you're seeing through time.
Exactly. Yep. You got her. Yep, that's fine. Instantly starts up. Yep. Yep. That's fine.
I'm okay with that.
Sounds pretty good to me.
Sounds like garbage.
No.
Especially for over almost 340,000.
Yep.
But yeah, it looks
Shined
great.
up. Flags are getting caught on themselves. They're fine.
That's what you want.
But, you know,
Okay, we have a 1977 Bandit Trans Am that we're going to look at right now. 6.6 liter V8. What is it, a 5-speed manual trans?
I don't remember if this is the auto or not. I think it might be.
Well, he was riding the clutch, pulling it in, so it might be a... We're in small town.
She's an auto.
Auto. Well, then it's got a slip in it.
But it is an auto.
Hey, have you seen the tack next to the shifter? Come here. It's kind of hard to see, but right there is the tack. Next to the shifter there.
Oh, yep, that's what.
Original wheels.
No, he said this is all original, and it's a 77. It is a real Bandit.
Here are your keys.
Thank you.
Your truck looks pretty good over there.
You know.
So that was the Moulton Car Show. Hope you enjoyed. If there is a parade, stay tuned for that video. And we'll see you. Go subscribe, Bill Tough 1776.
Thank you.